Thank you. Thank you. Hope you can hear me. Where do you see the most backlogs in various courts throughout the state?
Thank you for that question, Senator. I mean, we have backlogs in pretty much every court, but I think that the most serious backlogs are probably in the criminal term Supreme Court and Superior Courts where individuals are incarcerated. We also see big backlogs in family court as well, and I think that those cases that affect families all across the state, those are incredibly important to us. We see backlogs in the housing courts, which affects the stability of housing for New Yorkers all over the state. And those, again, those backlogs are incredibly important. We see backlogs in surrogates court, where unfortunately there were a fair number of individuals who passed away, a fair number of New Yorkers who passed away as a result of the COVID-19 pandemic and related reasons. So we see backlogs in pretty much every court. And
where do you expect to focus your attention initially? I apologize to cut you short, but we have limited time. How do you expect to handle those backlogs in the most serious cases? For instance, I practice in the surrogates court, and as you stated, when an individual passes away and you can't sell a home or get into a home, those are critical situations that need attention. I know that the judiciary has asked for $28 million for new funding for capital projects, and I know that there's plans to hire additional staff. I'm just trying to understand what's the plan to implement and address these backlogs as efficiently as possible.
Well, we have plans for each and every court. I mean, to your point about surrogates court, we're starting a pilot in Queens because we really want to make sure that all of those families can have a resolution as quickly as possible. It's something that I personally have been working on, but I've also been personally working on addressing the backlogs in criminal terms Supreme Court for individuals who have been incarcerated for long periods of time, and a family court, of course. I mean, family court is incredibly important. So, I mean, we have plans, and we are already addressing those backlogs, but we're always looking to find new and innovative ways in order to continue to attack those backlogs so that until they're at zero.
Do you think with the change in the legislation that proposed that we now have certain crimes we're not permitted to set bail for, has that improved efficiencies within the criminal court system?
That is a bit of a politically charged question. So, I think the judiciary doesn't really take a position as to, with regards to anything having to do with that type of policy question. But I mean, listen, the backlogs exist in criminal court. They exist in criminal terms Supreme Court, and we're doing everything that we can to resolve those backlogs.
Thank you.